Hey guys, JJ Slimes, I'm Justin, and today I'm back with another video. Yeah, so I just got this from the mailbox. I just walked down. I believe it's slime. So, I'm going to do a quick little slime video. It's going to be like a quick one, and yeah. So I just made another video tonight, and I'll be posting that then, so be sure to, go look at that. And yeah, so don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to this channel and to these videos. And thank you for 24 subscribers, and I really like that. So yeah, so why don't we just get into opening whatever this is. It's store-bought, so I don't know how it's gonna be. So yeah, let's go. Hoo-wee! Right, so here it is here. Cover up that address and stuff, guys. Don't want to see that. Ooh, bro. This looks cool. Okay, well, I guess we're opening it. I don't know how to open this, though, so that's great. Oh, okay. Alright. Got it opened. This is like... Guys, I think I have a problem. I can't open this. Right, I think it's coming open. Whoa. This is looking... I think this is a fluffy slime that I ordered. This is a butter slime, and it is so far feeling pretty weird. Alright, so... Not even pokeable. Okay then. Oh. Okay then. How can I, I think I can fix this. I really do think I can fix this with a little bit of lotion. I might be able to. Should we try it? Let's go try this. Alright, let's put some of this. Ooh, whoa. Alright. It's kind of melting a little bit. I mean, it's getting better. Yeah, it's getting better. I think I fixed it. I think I fixed it. Yeah, I just fixed it. This is definitely a fluffy slime that I ordered. It is a butter slime. It's not fluffy, it's a butter slime. But hey, it's slime, so it's fine. Yeah, this is okay. I'm gonna call it kiwi. It looks like a kiwi. This feels different, but I like it, so it's fine. Whoa. Well, I like this now. There will be another slime that I ordered that might be coming this week, next week, somewhere around there. And I'll be reviewing that. It will be just like this one. So, yeah, be sure to check that out. And, yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this short little clip video. And, yeah. So I guess I will see you guys in the next video that I make. And yeah, yeah. Alright guys, I guess I'll see you then. Bye.